Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're doing a haul of all the items I picked up during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. If you want to see what I picked up, just stay tuned. Alright guys, I picked up just a select few items. I may end up making 2 purchases throughout the whole time. One was a pre-order of some items that they allowed the platinum people. Diamond and Platinum was able to have early access to some items, so I got a couple items during that time, and then I picked up some items at another time. So let's get started on what items I did pick up. So Dermalogica had an ultra calming cleanser. I haven't tried anything from their line yet, so I wanted to try this out. It's their Soothing Gel Cream Cleanser. And I like to have these items around for when I overdo it on my skincare, whether it's with a physical or with a chemical exfoliant. They got a little thing on here I need to break. Show you what the bottle looks like. There you go. That's what it looks like. So I'm looking forward to trying this. It says gentle cleansing gel cream for reactive skin. This pH balanced non-foaming cleanser helps calm and cool reactive, sensitive, or over-processed skin. Delicately fortifies skin's protective barrier without leaving an irritating residue, and easily rinses away or wipes off, making it ideal for sensitive skin. So I'm looking forward to trying that on. Like I said, times where I have overdone it. I love the sundayriley line, if you guys know, and I have not tried this item from them, and this was available during their sale. It's their pink drink. It's a firming resurfacing essence, it says. Show you what that looks like. It's a nice bottle. I like the bottle. Yeah. But that's what it looks like. So I'm looking forward to trying this. It's got a little pump on here. It says firming peptides, fermented honey, pink yeast filtrate, EGCG plus apricot. It says the peptides help to firm the skin, while fermented honey and botanical extracts balance the skin's natural microbiome and resurface the skin. So looking forward to trying this essence from sundayriley, the pink drink. Everything's pink this year. I don't know how long that's been out, but like I said, I'm looking forward to trying it. All right, the only hair item I picked up was the Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Moisturizes, smooth, and adds body and shine. I just finished one of these. If you notice, it was in my empties. I already had a backup, but once I get dig into my backup of something, I like to get another backup, and this was on sale during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, so always good to stock up on those things during the time when you can actually get some savings on it. So that was it for hair items that I did pick up, and then I picked up a couple of makeup items. This one is, I haven't tried their foundation. Lancome did a Care and Glow line of the Tintadol Ultra Wear Foundation. I love the foundation, the regular foundation in this, and I normally wear that 460W. And they said if you wore 460W, that 455W was the match. So 455 is supposed to be a good match for the 460. It's what it says. So I'll show you what the bottle looks like. But this one is supposed to have broad spectrum SPF was 27. And it's supposed to give you a healthy glow. Is what it says. So that's what the bottle looks like. It's a little different from their normal setup. I'll show you what the one I normally wear is. This one, like I said, in 460 suede W. So this is supposed to be the match to this one. So similar bottle, just looks a little different. So I'm looking forward to trying that out to see if I like it or not. I know I love the other one, so. And I decided to try their serum concealer is what they have in this. So this one is in 450W. All right, so I'll show you what that shade looks like. I love the packaging of this. It's nice. It's very good. So, like I said, I'm looking forward to trying both of those together. That is 450W and 455W together. And then another makeup item that I picked up was from Urban Decay. It is their Face Bond waterproof foundation that says you can't feel it. You're supposed to not be able to feel this foundation on, so we'll see. That's the shade I picked up based on what they had online. This is 28 medium deep. That's the back of the packaging, so you can see what the information says if you like. I know some people like to pause videos and look at that kind of stuff. Some people don't care. But that's what this one looks like. So, like I said, give this one a try. It's supposed to be a waterproof. It says self-setting foundation, water, sweat, and humidity proof, smudge and transfer resistant, no powder needed. So we will see, because I am oily. I do, especially in the summer. Those oils be pumping. All right. So the last makeup item that I picked up before we move on to some of the perfume items I picked up. This is from Kylie Cosmetics. It is a transforming lip tint. It says, and this is in the shade 354 Always Rosy. So that's what the packaging looks like. And it says Always Rosy. So I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm interested in what that transformative means. So we'll see. I like the shade the way it is in the packaging now, but I don't know if it's supposed to change on your lips or what. We'll see. But Always Rosy was that shade. Now, the other thing I picked up was, I picked up several items from Viva La Juicy. I love my Viva La Juicy Gold Contour. I had that in my March. And I had it in my February perfume tray. So I can get more use out of it. That's like my third bottle of that one. And so I've never tried any items from, other items from their line. So this year I picked up the Golden Amber one. I don't think you guys have seen that one yet. And since they had some of the other ones on sale during this Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, I decided to pick a few more up. So this is a 30 ml 1 fluid ounce of the Viva La Juicy Noir. So I picked that one up. I'll unbox it with you guys later, but I'm just showing you what I picked up. So this is Juicy Couture Noir. And then I picked up a couple of the roller balls, or not roller balls. There's the, it says they're sprays. I'll open up and double check, but these are the 10 mils or the 0.33 fluid ounce. So I got the regular Viva La Juicy, because like I said, I've never tried it. I would automatically love the gold contour, and I just never went to the other ones. Do you guys have any favorites from the Viva La Juicy line? Yeah, this is definitely a spray. You see that through the cap. There's a clear plastic cap on that one. So I'm looking forward to these. So that's the regular Viva La Juicy. Then I picked up the Viva La Juicy Le Bubbly. And this one looks like, yes, it's also a spray. Then I picked up the last of the Viva La Juicy before I get to the other one. This is Viva La Juicy Sucre. And that's what that looks like. So these are all sprays, which I am very happy. I prefer a spray unless I'm already familiar with the perfume and know I love it. So the other thing I picked up was from Marc Jacobs, their Perfect Intense. So Marc Jacobs Perfect Intense. Now I wanted to get this one because I already have the other bottle, the bigger bottle. I don't think I showed you guys that on my channel yet either. But I did pick that up. I might have, I don't know. But I picked that up shortly after the end of the year. If you guys remember a clip I showed you when I walked in Sephora, because there were several perfumes that I was interested in that I had not seen throughout the year, and I was super interested in smelling them. So I went through the store and I smelled them, I sprayed them, you know, to get a sense of them. And the Perfect Marc Jacobs was one of the ones that I love, but I love the Intense version. So this is what that bottle looks like. And I love this. You know what this reminds me? I love the cap on that. Can you see that? All the little details. They come up with the coolest cat. I love the kitty. Yeah. But they come up with the cutest bottles. This looks so sleek, chic to me. But anyways, this reminds me of, you guys know I love my Marc Jacobs Decadence. The plum note in there is amazing. They discontinued that fragrance. I don't know. Some people might have felt like the plum was too much. I love the plum note in here. And this, but that was more of a winter fragrance. They discontinued it. I still have mine. I'm slowly using it. But this one, this Marc Jacobs Intense has a plum note in here that reminds me of that, but a lighter version of it. So it's perfect for the springtime. And I am super excited to have this. I'm glad that they brought this out with the plum note in it, because it's, to me, is that same plum note, but just dialed down a little bit, and I absolutely love it. So that is everything that I picked up during the different days of the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty that I was personally interested in. Drop down in the comments what you guys picked up, what you was excited for. Did you pick up any of the same items that I picked up? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye.